Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Look like $1,000,000. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine once thought that this idiom meant that someone looked like they had $1,000,000 in their pocket. But that's not what it means. It means to look really good, like you're worth $1,000,000. To clarify, the idiom "look like $1,000,000" means to look very good or impressive. A good memory aid for this idiom is to imagine someone looking so good that they must be worth $1,000,000. Let me introduce a story using the idiom. She walked into the room and heads turned. Her dress was stunning and her hair was perfect. She looked like $1,000,000. Everyone wanted to talk to her, and she was the center of attention. Here are 10 fun facts about the idiom "look like $1,000,000. 1. The idiom was first used in the 1930s. 2. It's often used to describe someone's appearance. 3. It's a popular idiom in the United States. 4. It's similar to the idiom "look like $1,000,000. 5. It's often used in fashion and beauty contexts. 6. It can be used to describe objects as well as people. 7. It's a positive idiom. 8. It's often used in advertising. 9. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts. 10. It's a great idiom to use in dating. Let me give you some example sentences to illustrate the idiom's usage in different contexts. 1. She looked like $1,000,000 in that dress. 2. He drives a car that looks like $1,000,000. 3. The restaurant's interior design looks like $1,000,000. 4. The new product launch went so well that the company felt like $1,000,000. 5. The CEO's speech was so inspiring that the employees felt like $1,000,000. Sentence: She looked like $1,000,000 in that dress. Rephrase 1. She appears wealthy in that dress. Rephrase 2. She looks like a superstar in that dress. Rephrase 3. She looks like a fashion model in that dress. Let me share a real-life story that highlights the impact of the idiom. A woman who was feeling down about her appearance got a makeover. She looked in the mirror and said, "Wow, I look like $1,000,000. It boosted her confidence and changed her outlook on life. Other similar expressions to look like $1,000,000 include look like $1,000,000, look like a movie star, and look like a model. The opposite of look like $1,000,000 could be look like a mess, look like a disaster, or look terrible. Related idioms that English learners should know include cost an arm and a leg, break a leg, and bend over backward. Let me introduce a story using the related idiom break a leg. Jenny was nervous before her big audition. Her friend told her to break a leg. Jenny took a deep breath and walked onto the stage. She sang her heart out and got the part. Her friend's words of encouragement had worked. Time for a quiz. Which of the following is the correct definition of look like $1,000,000? A. To look wealthy. B. To look really good. C. To look like a movie star. Answer: B. To look really good. In summary, look like $1,000,000 means to look really good or impressive. It's a positive idiom that's often used to describe someone's appearance or the appearance of an object. Remember, you can use it in both formal and informal contexts. Now, it's your turn to use the idiom. Make an encouraging phrase using look like $1,000,000 and share it in the comments below.